Oh, my kids have discovered, hey, sorry, I wasn't looking at my camera. Spectrum DIY for you. Okay, so this is Dave. I thought I'd share with you something. My kids have discovered something that I made that synth keyboard and they love it a lot. And I'm over here, they asked about it. So I turned it on so they could play it, and that's going to be today. I'm going to share a few clips, so enjoy. What you playing? That's a capacitor.
Now what can you do with these?
Oh, these?
Yeah.
That's what makes the sound the way it does. If you make it be a smaller one, it's a higher pitch. So like, see, this one's smaller than this one, so this one's lower than that one, see? So it goes from smallest to the biggest. This one's the biggest. Or maybe one of those is the biggest. I can't remember now. I believe it's this one.
You do this, Dad.
Yeah.
You do this and you do this and you do this. And then there's one.
Well, you know, and then you can adjust it too. Where's my little screwdriver? So, all right, now hit it. See? All right, and then this one, you can adjust this one down to a different sound. Oh, not the green one. Do the yellow one. Do the yellow one. Keep pressing it. There you go. So you can listen to it. There you go. See? There you go. You see? All right, now do the green one. Ooh, that's a low one. All right, what about this one? See this one. All right, this. What about this one? So those are the bass notes, and you can adjust these ones however. How about that?